One of the most intriguing results from this paper on EasyEdit2 is how it can make a large language model behave more safely in real-time conversations, almost like flipping a switch to prevent it from generating risky or inappropriate responses without touching the model's core structure.
That's fascinating, Ben. To achieve that, they use something called steering vectors. Think of it like using a gentle rudder on a boat to guide its direction mid-journey, rather than rebuilding the boat. The steering vector generator creates these vectors based on a single example you provide, automatically crafting a path to nudge the model's outputs without altering its internal weights or parameters.
Building on that, another cool result is how EasyEdit2 lets you tweak an LLM's personality or sentiment on the fly. For instance, you could turn a typically formal AI into a more casual, friendly one, and it still keeps the model's original knowledge intact, making interactions feel more personalized.
Exactly, and the method behind it involves the steering vector applier. It's like adding a subtle filter to a camera lens that changes the color tone without replacing the entire camera. This module takes those generated vectors and multiplies them into the model's forward process, allowing for fine-grained adjustments. Technically, it's intervening in the activation layers, but imagine it as layering a new influence over the existing neural pathways to steer the output behavior precisely.
What's even more impressive is that this framework can enhance an LLM's reasoning patterns, helping it avoid overthinking or getting stuck in loops. In tests, they showed it makes the model more efficient at problem solving, like giving it a mental shortcut to reach conclusions faster while preserving its accuracy.
Right, and to pull that off, EasyEdit2 draws from activation-based interventions. Picture this as reprogramming a GPS system on the fly. You're not changing the map, but you're adjusting the route suggestions based on current traffic. The steering vector library comes into play here, letting users reuse pre-built vectors so you don't have to start from scratch each time, making the whole process plug-and-play and accessible even without deep technical expertise.
One last standout result is how it handles factuality and language features, ensuring the model sticks to truthful information or adopts a specific style, like more poetic language. It's like having an editor's pen that corrects the story as it's being told, without rewriting the entire book.
To wrap it up, the key takeaway from EasyEdit2 is that it provides an easy, unified way to control LLM behaviors at test time, using these steering mechanisms as a form of precise, non-invasive intervention. It's a game-changer for applications where reliability and adaptability matter, like chatbots or content generation, empowering users to fine-tune models on the spot without the hassle of retraining. Overall, this framework could make LLMs safer and more versatile in real-world use.